I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I'm thrilled to be with my good friend Gretchen of Webb Ponte Vedra. Everyone knows Webb Ponte Vedra, our cruise ship on the ground, and today she's going to show us a condo. It's ready to move in now. It's magnificent. I can't wait to show it to you. So Gretchen, thank you for having us again.
Oh, I'm so happy to be with you, Heather, and we are in the beautiful Cormorant plan here at our Carriage Home Series at Orchard Pass at Webb Ponte Vedra. It is our largest plan that we offer here, 1,868 square feet.
Wow.
Yeah, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a den, so I can't wait to show it to you.
And when you come up, Carlin, the coolest thing about this particular floor plan that Gretchen's going to show you is how the bedrooms are separated from one another. So if you are entertaining and have people stay the night, they are not sleeping in a room right next to you, which I absolutely love.
Yeah, your guests will feel like they have their own suite here. It's so far separated.
I love this. Okay, so let's show this space.
Yeah, this is the den. It is very useful for a lot of different things, but most people use it as an office, but it's also great for an exercise room. It's perfect if you have a hobby like sewing.
It could be a craft room, and I love the double doors, so
Yes.
in turn you can close it off, so if you are making it an office, because so many people, I joke, never retire. So many people find that next career, so it's great that you have this. But now this is what I love. This is that front bedroom away from the owner's suite, and look at this full bath.
Very nice.
Love this, and a lot of natural light coming in.
I'm gonna peek into this room.
And Gretchen, with Webb Ponte Vedra, tell us about some of the amenities as we walk around.
Oh my goodness, the Anastasia Club, like you mentioned, is our cruise ship on land. It's 37,000 square feet of fun, and we have the beautiful resort style pool out back, and we have the indoor pool as well. So every kind of meeting room, every kind of club you can imagine, there are 37 of those, and it's just something to do every day if you want there to be.
So if you're moving here from out of town, the best thing that Webb Ponte Vedra can offer you is that you're gonna find a friend, you're gonna find somebody that has your same interests, which is so important for buyers when they're coming to Florida, let's say for the first time, and don't have that network and they're leaving their old friends and family behind. Now I love this, you just showed the powder room, and that's important because again, if you're entertaining, which Webb Ponte Vedra residents, they entertain.
Absolutely.
So at least with the bathroom, they have their own, it's in this great space. But Carlin, I'd love for you to walk through the kitchen because these cabinets are beautiful, and something, Gretchen, is it okay if we point out?
Oh my goodness,
love this.
yes, we have these
Look at this.
fabulous pull-outs.
Oh, that's so
Which
nice.
is so nice, and also on the bottom.
That's so nice.
And then right here we can shut this. But lots of great cabinets. I love the neutral color. It looks beautiful. And
Tons
then
of space.
Tons of space. So as you walk through, let's show the laundry room. Again, you've got natural light. You can already see it coming in as you go into that laundry room because you've got a window, which is terrific. But look how wide it is. And this is something, so you can, you can have your washer and dryer, but look how much space you have for your folding area.
Yeah, a lot of storage too, you know?
Lots of storage.
Have too much room for your utilities in there.
No, I put so much in there. But look at this pantry.
Oh.
Okay, a great walk-in pantry.
Oh my gosh, so many snacks and
Yeah, lots of snacks. But Gretchen, talk to us about this space right here, because we've got the tile that we're on.
Yeah, so this is the perfect spot for your dining table. And if you look up, there's a spot that you can hang your chandelier right above it. You can put a really long table here that seats a lot of people.
And what's important, so what I wanted Gretchen to show you is because we're separating the tile from the carpet area, even though this is a really, really big, great room going into a kitchen, you can have plenty of seating here behind the island because you've got, literally you can put 5 or 6 chairs, to be very honest with you. But you can have that long table that Gretchen was saying with a magnificent chandelier, which is like a piece of art.
Absolutely.
Or just a cool piece. But then you come into this carpeted area, so it is segmented off. And then talk to us about some of the things you've seen in here.
Well, a great way to go is to be able to wall mount your TV over there and do your traditional kind of living area with the TV and all the coziness here. And then on the other side, behind us with the windows, you are just limited by your imagination. So you can set up a really cool bar area.
Absolutely.
Another office,
I could see like
Space.
chairs over here,
Yeah.
and I agree. If you do have that bar area here in the corner, I like that you have the solid walls on the far right-hand side.
I was just gonna mention.
But this view is what you don't want to block. You are on one of the preserve lots. Del Webb Ponte Vedra is on a preserve on the entire eastern side of Del Webb Ponte Vedra, and this condo, fortunately, is on that preserve. So we'll go outside in a minute, but
Yep.
this space, I wish
Wow.
we actually had measured it. Do you by chance know how long
I do
it is?
know it's 20 feet long.
20
Wow.
feet long. So when we go out there,
Yep.
we will kind of show how that can be segmented off. But this home is perfect for entertaining, but perfect for just relaxing. And it's so quiet in here too. That's the other thing, because it's a windy day today. It's cold, it's windy. You don't hear a single thing
Nope.
outside. Look at this room. So go ahead and you talk about this. Sorry about
Absolutely.
that.
This is the part of the owner's suite that is your respite where you can come and relax for the evening and enjoy that beautiful wooded view.
Can you imagine waking up to this
No.
every day, Carling?
That would be so nice.
Yes, a great preserve,
So
and then we
peaceful.
go swim in the Anastasia Clubhouse.
Yeah.
Right now, I'd be in the indoor pool.
Come
Go
back for a
work
nap.
out in their gym. Go visit with the ladies at the front. Go see a comedy show. I mean, there's so much to do in here. You're never bored in Del Webb Ponte Vedra. And look at the double sinks and far apart. Lots of counter space. That was the one thing I noticed when Gretchen first brought us in here, is the amount of counter space
Yes.
in here. Beautiful mirrors the entire way down. And I can't wait for you to go in the closet too, just because it is a very large closet. Absolutely love that. And another thing with Del Webb Ponte Vedra, I want to remind people, is that there are sidewalks throughout Del Webb Ponte Vedra and sidewalks connecting you to the back gate. And at the back gate of Del Webb Ponte Vedra, you can go out and now you have the paddle launch. And I know many Del Webb Ponte Vedra residents have been excited about that paddle launch. It's called the Knockety Landing, and that's where you can walk down. It's 2 miles from the roundabout, but it's only 1.4 miles from Del Webb Ponte Vedra's back gate. And you can kayak, canoe, paddleboard, you can fish down there, but mainly just exercise, and there's permanent restrooms. So that's been an exciting thing for our residents here in just the last few months.
Oh wow, that's a beautiful view.
Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. And because it's 20 feet in length, you could have your couch on one side just to relax, but then you can do an entire seated area to eat out here. I would literally eat all of my meals out here. I'm being very honest. Yeah, I eat all my meals. And it's screened in.
Yep.
I can't tell if the camera shows the screen.
You can see it.
Okay, so it is screened in. So if it was, for example, raining today, no big deal. You can still sit out here. Or if in the summertime, if there's any mosquitoes, guess what? They're not coming on you in your beautiful home. I love this. And
So
remind
peaceful.
people, what square footage, what floor plan are we in, Gretchen?
Again, we are in the Cormorant. It is 1,868 square feet.
It's huge.
And I have several of these available if you're ready to move in.
Okay, you need to call Gretchen today because we are in Del Webb Ponte Vedra, literally a cruise ship on the ground. We all aspire to live here. I say it every time. I can't wait. I'm already calling. They're not quite letting me in yet, but I'm excited. But call Gretchen. She's amazing. The rest of her team's amazing. So thank you for watching Walkthrough Wednesday, brought to you by the award-winning developers of Nocatee, the Park Group. Bye.
Bye.